You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And guess what? As usual, I never said thank you to everybody. When I say everybody, I mean everybody will support the movement. You know what I mean? From Deso to Yaso. I know we are got Deso. You know what I mean? So big up yourself and you don't know yourself. The ones who, as I said, send me a message, phone call, and all them something there, you know what I mean? The uplifting, trust me, I have to say it, I'm sorry. I have to remind us I'm grateful for it, because them the things keep us grounded in a dim time. I said dim time, I don't know me at talk, but I have to, spell it out a certain way. Because when you see it on the news, the media, whatever the case may be, these movies that we make is just for, and I say we love violence or something, but it's just for bring awareness of what's going on. And to actually stop it from actually do what you think you want to do, which is something what you're not to do. You know what I mean? So them things are, you know what I mean? It's just to bring that awareness and that light, within the darkness. I want to say, but I can relate to it in some way or this or that. So, you know what I mean? So understand for all those who don't understand, but for who understand, pick up yourself and thanks for, that kind of support and strength. This is now Rocky Road episode 1 and 2 put together in one place, because some people that text me say, public, me see Rocky Road episode 1, but I can't find 2. Public, me see Rocky Road episode 2, but someone watch back 1 and I can't find it. This is to put it at one place so they can see it. For all of the ones that want to see it yet, who want to see it that way they are, who, you know what I mean? You see it already, but you want to, share it together. Because I say, boy, if you send a link, upon the link, the person, man, and you know what I mean? So everything is here for you. Thanks again. Highly appreciate it. And as me always say, I'm a work in progress. And, trust me, it's just to the stars from here, so, you know what I mean? And, me appreciate it, Watch the movie. Me got to be chatting, all right? See it now, episode 1 and episode 2 of Rocky Road.
Just subscribe, it's free. Just subscribe yet.
So far from love, but so close to hate. When I'm not with you, I can't concentrate. Yeah, I keep wondering in my mind where the hell I'm gonna find all the answers to these freaking questions. So baby, tell me, what's it gonna be? Is it you? Is it me? Promiscuity. I need to know, do you want me? Let it show that you need me. Baby, tell me what's been going on. Say, I don't wanna live this way. I don't want it if it is the same. I don't want my friends to say it is the same. Cause in the end there is no one else to blame. Baby, I don't wanna feel this way. I don't wanna think that you just don't care. Baby, deep inside you feel the same way. It's just so crazy. I don't wanna live this way. I called you on the phone. You said you were not home. It's been so crazy. It's been days. I feel like giving in home alone. It feels so good with you, baby. You got the clue. It's slowing on too long. I don't wanna live this way.
No, you're good.
Yeah,
Take your shoes off from the counter. Why you always do that?
Actually, we just come back and I'm tired, man.
You're tired? So you look so happy.
I want to a big shot, man. 3 goals scoring.
Nice.
Right now, I think we got foreign soon, because with them, I skiller. When we shift out the man, man, salad and a pie. Oh, a big shot, man.
You make me feel proud, but make sure I say, your top shot on the test paper them. That's all I have to tell you. But anyways, I'm not cooking time, I'm going to go up on the road and come back. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, man.
I'm proud of you next time me there you match, So go in your room, go freshen up and so forth. I'm carrying the shoes, so where you left your shoes?
What's that? There's some man even there right now.
I realize.
Boy, that one miserable, you know. Because like, it's funny. Let me even get fit. Practice over practice for use the guitar. Yo, what going for tomorrow? When I say set time tomorrow? Like when you want. And look how much time I shift. Oh, yeah, chat, boy. Look how much time I shift on a pile and a salad. I want to know, man. Set time tomorrow, man. Set time. When I get too much chat. Alright then.
I think you do. Hello?
Girl,
Oi.
come pay bills them.
Me a come, I told me that I wait for my son to come in, but he just come.
No, I'm here to come pay bills them. So.
Me
So
say,
you just come.
yeah, he just come. Me already and come down in town now.
So you don't want to meet me?
When I meet you, Pinky, you fit tell me when I meet you.
Meet me at the supermarket because me here and say you come, you get ready and come in at the store. Like you know, I ask how you have to meet me.
Alright, me meet you at the supermarket.
Anyways,
Mm-hmm.
you know you're from Jimbo.
No, me not hear from him, me not from him. Gonna friend, me not hear from him. But me and my son I do well without him. My son has scored 3 goals today, girl. I'm proud of him.
Alright.
Yeah, big footballer.
Hey, be proud to be proud.
But you have to be proud.
Anyways, when I come.
Alright.
Meet at the supermarket. I come pay business. I don't know you love post up and trust.
Hello, later, me a come.
Aye.
Aye. How are you? What happened to you?
You even lose today, man. Them just walkless. Man, I tell them, man, them pass. You can't
So
run
that
them,
make
man.
you go answer?
I didn't even only that.
Listen.
That's not feeling. That's not feel good right now, I swear. Can't remember this.
Listen, and not all the time you go win. Sometimes you go lose. You win some, you lose some.
Like, I didn't even about win or lose no. My father gonna foreign and you'd even try to make an effort to make me see him. Like, you know how long I see him?
I know. Listen, me I try my best. You know how hard me I work for make me alright? Me no know nothing about your father. Me no hear from him or nothing. What you want me to do?
No, it's alright. No, you're not about.
I mean, you talk to sir? I walk out for me? You forget to say me and your mother?
I don't walk away from you. What do you mean? Alright, what you really want? Alright, what you have to say now? Since you want to stop me, what you want to say?
You know how hard me have to work for take care of you? Since your father gone foreign? And you come in here and come go on like you want to give me back chat and disrespect me?
I no disrespect me, I disrespect you. I don't like say me I go cuss bad that for you or lick you or nothing. I like say me I go put my hand on you.
Wow, I can't my son attack to me. Like, are you this? Yesterday you come here happy, today you come here just because you lose. This are you when you lose.
Maybe this is me when I lose. I not just about the game. Me and my father used to play ball. I don't like say I just bought. That's the only reason why I will ever win. I don't like. You know what? It's alright.
So
never mind. Make it.
All of this about your father.
So who about it then? Look how long I see my father. Look how long I see him. It's alright. You know what? Make it stay. It makes sense to just. It makes sense to just make it. We can't leave this right now.
Makes sense to
Say
just
them.
what? Oh! You come like you have a fist in your face or something. Makes sense to me just what?
Look how tall me be compared to you. Anyway, you can fist my face. Your face you can fist my face right now, me just take it.
So
It
what
makes
you
sense
gonna
to-
do?
it makes sense to
You
just
gonna lick me back?
It makes sense to just make it stand down. Can't bother with this.
No. Me must be dreaming. This not safe. I can't my son talk to me so.
Like that woman want to stress me out. That woman want to stress me out. We can't do this again. Swear we can't do it. Yo, charge it. Yeah, say now. You know, so I'm ready for the road because someone has stressed me out. I can't do this someone no longer. I swear. Today I'm gonna move. Like, feel like I'm gonna move out today. So yeah, so now. But around 4 o'clock, you know, around 4 o'clock we have feel like I have the food. So yeah. By them time they free. So alright now. I know at 2 o'clock. Just give me some time to get ready. I'll leave out by 4. 4 me I leave out, man. That's it. I'm gonna really stress me. We can't tie me on that, I swear.
All personnel, please evacuate to the nearest lab and report to your supervisor.
Hello.
Hello.
Jimbo,
Howdy.
you don't know my voice.
Oh, a long time this you know, I never really know that you like that, so, no.
Nobody ask me how me get your number, but just know so me get your number.
Yeah, of course, me go saying about me just said to myself, say, me not gonna really call the first, be the first call, problem like that. You know what I mean? So what, no, what you want? And you call me and something you want,
Jimbo, are your son?
One thing, alright?
Me no know what me to him. Yesterday win football match, today lose football match. In
Yo, this is something I said, man, they had a talk about me and try to talk about me, that me like, that me have to read the API, This is something I said. My son a baller, I need to understand that when I try to change it in a certain way, now work. And that's why me I couldn't work. Because you not listen.
and that me call the boy. You listen what me I say?
When you that so else you can't call me. Eh? After you make them keep up all my money and give me a I can't money at that. I'm money I call me about.
You just chat. You chat too much. At that video. Listen what me have to say to
Yeah,
you.
I hang up the phone and left in a limbo. Remember, say I mean him Jimbo, you know. Oh, so you careful what you say.
Jimbo, listen to me.
Yeah.
Your son have two sides of him. You have a good side and you have a bad side. I don't like the bad side because
Me on the bad side of you, so that
Jesus
is the thing, that's the
Christ.
problem.
What a man can't chat. Listen what me I say.
Take away yourself and the bad side will start. Simple. Warm to you. You know, sister, I saw you go. Right now, I bet you have a big problem with you being you. Eh? Yeah, come tell me about me can chat. Hey, yo, me tell you this. You know, call my phone for chat and you know, tell me say me love chat, you know. What we do on phone? Look. No chat, we chat.
Oh boy, rough. Your son need you. Your son need you because you look like him will go crazy if you not come around. And you need to start come around.
What do you mean? Need me for what? My son a big boy now, you know. Big boy now, he need a woman. But I bet say you stop him from carry girl come out the yard, and that's the problem.
Seriously?
Relax himself and release himself. And that you see woman like you with love hold on, you know, certain things. Man have needs, you know. Man have needs, you never know. I know me
How
gonna do
will
me
you
a
find?
forward down and circle man chat to him for some of the kids.
Yes, and that if you talk about, talk about bringing woman. At time fin focus on him book. Which woman?
How much money you carry in the house there right now? That me I say.
From you gone, I don't have a next man.
Who now next man? I hear that him for
No.
figure them Jimbo. Hey, I hear me don't take Jimbo for them. Hey, me is no Bimbo.
When you come around here, your neighbor then we tell you.
Neighbor them not tell me nothing, neighbor liars.
Mm-hmm.
Cause if you give the neighbor them things, where you think them go to talk.
What me figure your neighbor them?
How you mean? You think Bob tell me what I go on, you know? Bob say I'll sell look like a soon start sell.
Don't fear stay with me. Just come around, contact to your son. Look for your son, talk to him, just come around. See if I can come around him and so
Come
forth.
around, me know you touch me, you know, I'm going like you want to come get back used to me and something. That me I tell you, you know.
Hello, me not want you.
You know what me?
Are your son more want? Are your son more want you
You worry about
come round for? I'm gonna do the matter of fact when you come tell me left.
that if you do, left right now and go. Jump off of one bridge if I somebody kill.
You know what? As a matter of fact, you better you come take your son.
Me come take him. Alright, if me take him, that means that you have to come out of my house. Simple as that. So you decide where I say. Me get one lady down there to stay in your house with you.
Get one lady to stay in a which house?
What do you mean? You forget the reason me go a foreigner because things don't work out with you and me left you in my place. I'm say, you know what? Make you go and live because you're my youth. What you doing? Yo, watch it till now, yo. You see how things are going right now? Yeah? Me I work so hard and make sure everything alright and you come talk full. I bet see I tell the people I so me not take care of my youth.
But I told you to carry a youth. No, for you got friend, how much money you ever send come give me feel?
Empress, you need to budget the money. Remember, say you get money every quarter, you know. That if you know. Yeah.
Listen, man, people they run and talk then something there, you know.
People they on me they on people. You know, so I say go.
Yeah, talk fi get good name.
Lift fuck up, man.
Boy, I know where me they go. And where me find them man ya? But I'm they breed for somebody else and not him. Yo, Miguel, wagon. Yeah, hear me?
Hear me?
Me I hear you.
Today I'm going.
Me there, I'm gonna see you down at market today.
Girl, I know say I work me day.
How?
I work me day, that's why me no come none but me soon come.
Oh, when you come to one hotel beer them no?
You're so cheap, say I can't buy.
Girl, you know some money tight, you know. And every money me have for the save it for my son.
Alright, me soon come.
Alright, dear thing. Me there wait for you.
Alright.
Aye. Come on in.
Yeah, come.
Come.
What now?
You need to fix your face. Why you behave so? And 9 months, me carry my belly fine on money. And I'm free of cost, me carry for.
But he just charge me. I wanna feel so right now. I must feel better right now.
You sure about that? Why cause of all of this? Because of your father?
Then I'm my father. So who else?
I can't believe it right now. Look how hard me I work to make everything alright for you. Every money me spend, every money me work, me put it down, save it because of you. And this is thanks for me I get. This is thanks for me I get as a mother. Listen, your father the overseas. Me don't know what else to do. Him supposed to call and check on you, you know. Him supposed to, me don't know, send me money. Your father not even give me money for you. And you put your father over me. The person will say every day who take care of you. Pay all of your school bills them. Buy your shoes if you go play football we love so much. And I decide thanks for me get.
Maybe if you need trust, you wanna send him money. Maybe. I don't know.
There's something I don't understand.
Maybe there's something I don't understand.
Why you just feel like your father never trusts you?
Maybe if you never be in a dealings with such man, you wouldn't go on so. Because in the trust and in the love, when you see the effort where you make.
Who is this such man?
Remember who is this such man? My neighbor, Bob.
So that your father tell you? So me and Bob in a dealings.
I don't want him. Well, he tell me that, yes, but I want to see first.
Me and Bob not in a no dealing. Me and Bob are just close friends. Your father is a gigolo. So, why you saying that make no sense? Your father, what you mean by gigolo? You don't know what is a gigolo?
My father was not a gigolo. Or whatever you want to call it.
I guess you know your father more than me. Listen to me, I try my best with you. If I decide thanks me I go get, you better you find a way to your father. Because me not go sit down and take all of them and disrespect you. I work too hard and stress out myself to make you comfortable and happy to get all of them and thanks you.
Maybe if you never in a dealing with them, he would still trust you, and he would still love you, and he would still done you. Maybe. Because my father, when me see effort, when I look at him, I see effort when I make for you. I see effort when I do. I see when I do. He used to take you out at nights, like Saturday, you never know. Saturday nights, Sunday nights, or any holiday when I ever take you out, carry a nigger, carry a them place there. So me here, well, I don't know if you can carry them, but that's so me here. Or some come back on here. Cause he love you. But since you're in the dealings with Bob, make him lose trust with you. After he realize what going on, he never love you anymore. If I say I want to call it.
So
And he start distancing himself from it.
when you and your father sit down and talk about all of this?
No, must before him gone.
Oh, I see what's going on here. So you grew up with all of them at ages in your family for a long time?
I don't hate me, hate her. I don't like saying I see what you are doing for me, but it just hurt. It hurt me to know all of this. Can you imagine say you have a man who trust you, who love you, and you got deal with like your neighbor behind him back?
So
This
you
is
really
crazy.
feel some me deal with the neighbor?
Well, me don't know. Well, me can't really say that still, cause me not see nothing. But with how you look like say on a day, I must day on a day. My father when I said house today and you are laugh up with Bob or and do all kind of things with Bob. And I call him friend.
You and your father got too far with this thing. So why your father never talk to me about it? And just leave. Well, long and short and everything, I call your father.
What I say?
And your father, you go one more when say. Anyway, he say when he come down, he might come look for you. So forth.
So when him come down?
I don't know. We never asked him that. But it sound like he soon come.
But wait there. If me and you never wait. So hold on there. If me and you never fall out, or if me and you never have a discussion about this, you wouldn't make an effort. You wouldn't at least try to make an effort, no? Because me and you fall out. Wait. So maybe I have for your benefits. Make you do this. First of all, you tell me say nah send him no money for you. He not talk to you. So what you mean by him a come now? How me never hear about that and you hear about that now?
Because me call him because me realize say if you not have your father around, it start affect you. So me call him and talk to him.
As me just said a while ago, if me and you never fall out, this wouldn't happen. Why? It makes sense. Yo, make it stay.
Me I try my best with it, you know. Why you do this to me?
Make it stay.
I know what else we do. Me I try.
What go on, my nephew?
Alright.
Oi, come here. How what you do?
Yeah,
Hey, me I talk to you now. What you do? What you try? You forgot who you deal with?
Don't. So, I want. Yeah, what you want to talk about that?
No, you tell me. You need to talk? We need to talk?
No, I want to talk about that. No, I want to talk.
No. Cause you see it's something really happened to you. Cause you forgot who you deal with. We're going to talk, so let's talk. Come. Hey, right here, so. What is it?
I don't even want to talk about that right now, I swear. My mother give me a problem.
Your mother? What kind of problem your mother give you?
From when I want to see my father, until now I can't see my father, and it's like she not make no effort. It's like she didn't even care. So I want to see him or nothing.
Boy, my nephew. Sorry to tell you this, you know. But I see your father is an old dirty dog, dead dog, everything in one. You understand? So, I'm not going to say if you take your mind off of him, but if I were you, I'd take my mind off of him. Because he's not good at all. You understand?
So what you say about my father? If I never leave for my mother, him wouldn't go and say no. So what you mean by my father fault? Right now, my mother going like some street woman, you know.
Yo! What you just say?
I can't hear me, man.
Yo! Watch your mouth, boy. Watch your mouth. You hear me? I tell you, watch your mouth. What you mean by woman I move like a street girl? So me ask you one question. Where your pack bag gonna go?
I know I go and cool off for a week, you know. Maybe a month, leaving home.
Cool off what? And where? Hello? March yourself, go back up there, so. March yourself, because guess what? Look here. I wonder if you know how the streets cool. You know how the streets are run right now? Right now, where there is safest place for you. Because I don't think so you know how the streets are run right now. And that with you look up pitney. When you take up things for your head, I don't really know what going out the road. Me remember when me used to run the streets, my nephew, and bad things happen to me. I didn't even want to go back in the past, but bad things do happen to me because I feel like say road was all. So, me know why you follow them the footsteps about how you pop back for God for 1 week. Like you know no sense, boy. Go up there, sir. I kiss I might take me slippers and give one blasted lick too. Have sense and manners. Sister, what's up, Nancy? Good. Tell me, say, about pitney about about pitney this. So, how about pitney over here?
You know, so you go on the road, so I ask me if you watch your baby if you look a while till you come back.
You think about that one this then?
Yeah, I want to. No, but I feel so I watch your baby for free now. You have to pay me.
You think about that one this?
Alright, drink it because you have to carry something for somebody and then take it back.
That no one here.
One big something go come over here, yeah, it up.
Well, I'm sure you it already. You're right, that's a Caesar. Anyway, so babysitter, I really are going with her now.
Why can't you tell the truth? I don't know where I'm going. Because my son, when me I look both for how much years now, I give me bad attitude in my house. Now I have no respect to me again. Everything you talk about him father this and him father that. I call him father this morning. I tell him father say I have to come take him son. Him father said that means I have to go come out of the house. And something. I don't know. Him feel like say me hurt him father. That's why him father gone.
I know say between me and you, catch him down there a while ago. So I come out with big bag enough, so you allow him to go through that door.
I tell you something. My grandmother always say, they raise a child, and you see when they feel like they turn big man or woman, they make them go and pan their own. So you see anytime nothing reach them out there, you go see who they run back to.
I no, but what if he not make it for run back to you?
For him choice. I never send him go nowhere.
Why?
He pack up in things and gone by himself.
I take you as a sister, but you're too bitter now. You're too bitter. I understand, say, listen. He have feelings, you know. Because if he not see him father, he not get in touch with his father, he have to feel one way.
And how for fault that?
Him have to feel one way, so all you have to do is sit him down and talk to him.
Thank you. I sit down and talk to him. But he not listen to what I say. He not listen nothing what I say. I sit him down and I say today and I talk to him. You think I yesterday I talk to him? And today me and him there start talk.
But I don't understand why he would just get up, take up a bag, go through the door.
Me not even see when he go through the door now. Me not see. It look like when me go feel look a girl in go through the door.
God save her, help me. One babysitter. Tell me something now. Me and you know say you get Babu one piece one time.
A mistake that never will happen.
Mistake. When you give me one piece and you give me good, if you give me good, you would carry pretty cool if you.
No, you know what I me take care of baby. Me a babysitter. I'm a work me I do.
Anyways, what if Jimbo come here and say baby?
If Jimbo come and see baby, then I'm not open with Jimbo.
You only
Then
make
I
things
say
worse.
Jimbo in our business.
It don't matter, but you only make things that get worse. Listen to me too. You see, dirty money worse than having no money. You hear me? Cause
Where come over here for?
remember come over here for this way I do. In not try to fix nothing at all.
Oh, okay. No, me see one. I'm a bad person. For everybody say, you know what? As a matter of fact, me a clean the baby, so later me have it.
Alright. I would even leave on a link here or something. I'm gonna stress me out. Yeah, I wanna move out. Couldn't bother, I swear. But that's just a go. Hold on them before I call me, wait. Soon call back, eh? Alright. Love you. Hello. So if me not call you can't call me? Or what? So what, you in Jamaica or something? Or where you come from? So you bring nothing for me, or what you bring for me? What you bring for me? In a barrel. Alright. So when we can even link you? Or when we can see you? Today? Or tomorrow? Or whenever? Alright. Let's see what can go on. Alright, what you say? Tomorrow? Alright. This money, I swear. I bet seeing Ghana some party or something, and he not going me. As always, the man just can't bother him, I swear.
General. What go on there? See us make your move, sir.
Brother, me and your friend, I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel that way about yesterday, you know. When me pick you up, me think you don't give me your money to buy a little gas to put back in my vehicle.
So that make your face long, sir?
No, that alone. Brother, you come from foreign the whole long and not even one Irish Spring, not even one toothpaste to give me.
Yo, one thing more I know. Why is it that every time when people come from foreign and feel like if you get Irish Spring, Irish Spring mark one foreigner?
And not even Irish Spring alone, but nothing
what?
dog, not even 120 US.
You listen to me, I say, everything I will start out. Brother, I got something there, I'm going to do it for a little while, you know. You understand me, I say? Something know what you make it sound.
One thing I understand, you say you got there for one little while. So, you not cannot close, you cannot suitcase, so you want a little pink bag for your back.
You don't worry about that part, man. Right now, a bigger thing me I talk about. When I say go down me and start woman there.
You never just, you know what you say yesterday, I say nothing to you about it. I mean, you know, say nothing to you, actually you ask me, you know. You know, say a Bob live down here with the woman though.
Jesus Christ, man. Tell me something you tell. Father God,
why
take the
would I
wheel.
make up
Jesus.
story, brother? Why would I make up
what
story?
What you mean, Bob? That little youth there, so why me for me big woman don't want little youth don't live in yard? Eh?
Well, I mean, I don't know what kind of relationship you and your woman when you have when they are foreign about. If your name
Nah, man, like you tell man. Tell me say, you laugh to man and you laugh to him, say
no,
joke you make
brother,
man.
serious thing, man, Baba and your woman. Right now, Baba pick me. But Bob get out the road, but your woman will take care of pick me.
So you tell me say, see me woman, Bob, Nah, man, like you tell me. Me can't see, yo, it's like me can't match it, me can't put it together. You understand me? I say, so hold on. I said, no, you see the here people that tell you, because some people love make mystery,
Everybody
you know.
know dog. Everybody in the community know. I don't know hide and nothing. Everybody knows say Baba and she there. Everybody know, brother.
All right. Hear me really, I say now. Bob, boy, me tell you, me can't, you all know me can't put my hands and thoughts to the whole vibe. So,
Brother,
so
if
you
you-
gonna call me and tell me from foreign, say
Brother,
this a go on. Eh?
Me and a man, me love me, no, me a
Hey,
man,
me
me
say
no
the
love
man
mix
that-
up.
Yo, so
Me
how
no
that
love
gonna
mix up,
work?
brother. Me no love mix up.
How much money me spend on the yard, eh? Eh? How much things that go on the yard, eh, brother? Eh? I'm
Listen,
there
listen.
foreign and woman, I bet say woman that tell people say
All
me
you
not
do,
take care of the youth.
all you do,
Eh?
just no good on the and do not no way. Cause we wouldn't like to know say you come from foreign and Ghana prison.
No, but suppose me down there and Bob down there, me go do. Let me machine now so me can go down with the machine.
No,
no, me
brother.
have to buy the machine for the
Yeah,
road
yeah,
now.
your woman must can come to a agreement and she come out of her place and find some figure.
No, but so, alright, so me other youth now. Come and say the reason why she down there, because me big youth down there and me going want she to take care of him, that's all, you know.
So why your big youth never tell us him she and Bob there?
The big youth kind of vex with me and every time I try to talk to him not, boy, I don't know. But he not reason me straight. That's why I say me, I'm forward down, bro. You understand me, I say? And then it come like everything working at the right time because, you know, me go there for a while. Me can't go back right now. You understand? Because things kind of different of us. So I say, yo, me just ease up a fire. Me things them soon forward officially, you know, because barrel, then go sell it down, you know. You understand?
Alright, well, I'm your business, you know, brother. But just don't not tell away. Baba and your woman.
Yeah, when I think, yo, right now, me understand me hear you, when I think what you say is true. But, alright, you tomorrow, if you say you can drop them, then, and I get to the country, like I'm going to go.
We can't drop it on there, but you have to buy some gas.
Oh, me can just gas business. Yo, remember when me there, I take care of you, you know. You remember them days there? I laugh. We say take care of you, bro. You got 100,000 million, bro. And you say you give me back. No, no water in the car. You remember, say me help you buy the car? You remember that?
So actually, you help me.
You remember that? Yes, I know. Speak up, sir.
Bro, you know what? I feel like if you sell the car and give back your money.
Well, do that then. If I sub the case and give me a thing so I can take care of you, never so. But you cannot look upon it every time when me want help. You have to tell me, say money.
Alright. Forget it. Me can't go down there.
Yeah, I can go there tomorrow.
Yeah, everything good.
What time tomorrow can you come, sir?
Just call me.
No, my phone kind of mess up, you know.
Just
So
call
just
me.
tell me a time.
Yeah, just link me.
Link your yard?
Yeah, just link me.
But yo, you sure say Bob's situation show?
Brother, don't forget about it. Look more. Just forget about it.
Alright, so tomorrow 12 o'clock, me I fall there?
Yeah.
Who is it?
A Jimbo.
Backstage.
Go on, cause
Wham.
They are only tough, man. You know I think I am there.
You know me doing coming on a mosquito and me.
Yeah, you know I think
A long time. I don't see you.
Anyone know say I and I just when I just try a little bit and go and make some money and build up certain empire and things. See your level though?
Good man, great.
Cause say I'm proud of you still cause to see you build up a place and I send you I send you 0.5 million and you flip it and you build a room. You know what I mean? Proud of you, you know. That me I tell you, but here I go on now. I have an issue I go on. Yo, when last I say, come on, when I say link up around there so. Cause when you two want to go around there so right away, cause things kinda hot. Me I hear some complaint and the woman around there now do the thing the way it's supposed to go on. I don't like them something there. I like to see.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, see? So I'm going good?
Mentally, him not good, but me I try.
What do you mean mentally? Like in sick in the head?
Yeah, because of you.
Wait, hold on. So cause you tell me say, my boy is sick in the head because what me do so? Me send all money,
No,
Me send all money,
Listen, cause money is not all.
Money is everything. Without money you can't eat.
No, money is that I come like say go over the man. Oh, you raise the vice from here.
Me not raise the vice
No,
off your cousin.
remember we are David, though.
You're school, man.
Alright, so that's my raise the vice. What I'm saying is, money is not
Yo,
all cause.
are we grown up now, you know? So I'm gonna feel say like one time when yo, it's easy, man.
Alright.
Don't do that something.
Alright, see, calm, see. Alright then. Money is not all. Your son need attention.
What kind of attention? You have to pay attention. And that me have to do me pay attention. You have to pay for it. And that's something come free. So when you get it at a comfortable rate, I don't understand why she are going like right now she not work. She work? She work? Tell me if she work.
Jimbo.
Answer my question, she work?
Me not talk about she because it come like say she you come to talk about.
You know she me come to talk about me can't born nobody else because right now problem she put me now is a one way to take my body come down in a straight, you know. Come on, know everything level, you know. And that me a talk about, you know. All the bag I just one bag I'm fly up with, you know.
No, sir.
Yo, I don't understand why she make it thing sound so though. Believe me.
What on it? If you go over there, go.
Go do it. Go learn the truth. Go do it. And this is smart Linus cousin.
No, cause listen.
Hear me, I say. If I this you take it, you're a long time, you see me, you want to find out if me everything alright, yeah, me good. You know what I mean?
No, you know how your cousin stay from man is straightforward. I'm going to talk it at how it is. So I don't understand where you come and talk about how.
I'm just frustrated.
So if you frustrated, what you think the little boy do?
What you think for do? Get a ticket for him and fly him out, that you say?
Yeah, get one ticket for him and fly him out. And like when you're there here, go and go look for him and fix the one and fix over there. So now come tell me about how you come to know what going with she. Where you really come to know what going with she? Your son if you talk about.
Hear me I say. Follow me go over there. What do you think them together? Let's go. Because I can't bother with the fight. Me and she not fight today.
Jimbo.
Me and she not fight today. Me not be no bimbo. I mean him Jimbo. You understand me I say? Yeah, she not put me in no limbo. You know what I mean?
I remember when you come out, that problem used to put me now.
Give me a little roller. Come for a little roller for me. Funny. You have 1 and 2 and 3 of them. Give me a little roller. Come in the front stick. Because she loves some frowns and
so you have come from
a dip on that. Yeah, because when you're up on the plane, you sweat. You go back in that place, you collect your one bag. Yeah, you know what I mean? Perspire.
You know what?
Listen.
Here, what? You don't go use my roller. Come to know what your armor do. Take look like this spray.
This man. So you have man cologne there. What go on? You turn man or no?
Not on man. You have a man.
Sure, it's a man you have. Alright. You really run there, you know, you have no. Yeah! You want to know what's Jimbo there? Alright, so we're ready?
You're ready. I'll make sure you pay me for my time.
That we do, you know. As you see foreigner coming in a place of money.
You know
US dollar and
you know what? Nobody pay me. I never make me really. My nephew.
Yo, forward, so come in and chat it.
Jimbo there, because you there.
In the other? So someone can call me before you come or something?
Call? He just sudden girl, he just sudden because you hold this one right now.
Oh, I think I said. Lightning, judgment, thunder, fire. Yeah. You see me talk about what I talk about, you know? Cause up, look what I know. See? You know who over pitting that? You don't know what I want? I'm about pitting that right now. Let's go and tell them, yo, where my youth? Lady, where my youth there?
Then I know.
So my youth knows you have that the man that's such man and youth in your house?
Don't come over here and load up your mouth, you know.
Let me say now come load my mouth. Yo, it's my talk about cousin.
We come in here load up your mouth. I don't know where you going so far. Are you pick me, you come here to see you pick me in a room. Go in a room, go look for him.
Who that picking that? Who for picking that? Who for picking that? Nobody picking that.
Jimbo, daughter.
Eh?
Yeah.
So. Alright, you want alright.
Jimbo, stop now.
Cozy.
What we come over here for?
Yeah, go on like say
Come over here to talk. We can't talk when. Yo, what you mean? Listen, man.
If baby not even understand what we are talking about.
Tell me how you are coming in. See?
What kind of style that? Jimbo! What kind of style that?
That is style.
Jimbo!
King one.
Me gone to you now.
No business. For one galang. Let me care.
Can't take certain vibes, no man.
Yo,
Can't take certain
Jimbo,
vibes.
listen now.
Listen.
Listen to my youth.
You see what I go on now? I love you. Because I love you.
Me say, me never know that. One man like you good and bad.
I'm so good and bad. So
Alright, hold on. Alright.
Right now, I can't understand what I'm going on. They say a bad pitting at me yard. A bad pitting at the same dirty man she cheat. You think me don't know what she do it? You know too, you know. That's the funniest part about it. You know what I'm going on. You come pretend like you don't know what I'm going on. Eh? Oh, she did that. So, alright, how much you feel now for stand up? You talk to my youth in one place where one next youth there, I give me woman. Come to do.
Let's take it easy now, cause I don't say you can't take it easy. I stop and go like you're a madman.
Yeah, me say go like a madman. A madman this? Well, if a madman maybe then if I solve the case. Call me madman. You understand? You're going like you understand what I'm going. Right now, me I tell you this, you know. I'm going to lift up, you know. So what you're going to need to do is just tell my youth, go walk up there, go talk to her and tell her, say, tell my youth, say, come check me tomorrow. So we can have a serious, go sit down talk. And this not work out, me not lie you. It don't make no sense. You hear me I say to you?
Because what did it work out? You're the woman that left.
Me not busy with she, I mean youth me come to talk, I can't talk to me youth and knowing say boy, Bob soon might pass you, come pick up back female youth. Eh? What if me and Bob go buck eye to eye? What go happen? Me can't promise you something now thump him down, you know. That me a talk about, you know. So I'm still put that trouble right now.
You see it from younger so. You always a jamming and you mix up them.
I don't mix up, but
you
you know.
always a jamming and you mix.
But you have to get pay out tight. You have to collect. You don't collect money out tight. How you build up your place?
No,
me can't mix up. Eh? You laugh now because it's sweeter now. I mix up so you get your money. Somebody go and like say anything when you're in a we collect
I
good.
didn't meet till I be mother figure along with Bob. Eh?
So you confirm now.
I didn't meet till I be mother figure along with Bob. A one time thing that you know, but you can't take it easy. You think I didn't meet till I figure down? Eh? I look never me concerned about right now. I'm in a business boy you and she. I know Bob, I know Pitney. Because I know a movie come like so no one put me never in a charmer.
I get one job for you. Ah, you want to go now? I'm going to left out that spot now. I'll drink some coconut or something. Because right now I don't feel level.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so go back up and go talk to her from there and reason with her about that something. Tell him say, no, go tell my son some more see him tomorrow. We'll link me at the hotel so we can have a talk. See? Go and talk to him.
But I got drunk out of
and so tomorrow we give you money.
No,
Tomorrow, exactly.
Yeah.
All right.
I want him to go make you know. I don't want to no jam in no bangarang.
No what problem?
You mean by what problem? Why you so cold, girl? Me no say you're stone cold.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Talk to me straight and stop growing corners with me.
Me and you know say I never meet you to go give up your scratch to the man. And I don't meet him if you hold it and take it from you.
me hear say really a go on. Eh?
First thing, where I roll up on me, sir? You know what's passing there?
What mean say me know it's for me there? Eh? Bob, tell me situation what I go on. Me I hear some story but me don't really know if it's true. Eh? How you go?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What me say no me a talk about? For me woman Marika. How that story there go? Cause me I hear but me not sure I'm going to confirm and know say I saw it go if I saw it go.
First thing, if I fear woman, you would have a fear woman.
So you say I fear woman?
You look like you know, so yes, I feel a woman.
You know who you deal with? Eh? And if you remember know who you deal with. You're a long time with the boat, you know. You just a coming up. Where you come bad now because woman? Bob, you sleep on me yard?
Let me try to explain this to you. Because you look like you didn't like cool too long. You're a woman. I'm not even going to say for your woman. Marika and my woman. I don't feel woman. You want to know if me sleep there? I don't sleep there, you know. Me just pass through. I'm ready for sort her out.
Pump and scared man a talk like saying bowl. You don't remember my style in the streets? My name bigger road, you know. And just because me never there for a while. How you do? Bob, a bad is you really want to chuck for me, Bob? Eh?
You realize I'm there. I drink my one special. So me tell you this. Know who you are talking to. Listen to me. Your woman, I don't fear woman again. Just get over it.
Alright.
Go on back a foreign.
A bad is you take a hammer.
If you know what, me call me two dogs them run this and chop you up right now. You move out of my face. Move out of my face.
Alright, Bobby. Alright, you what? And you say done, you know. You say you're bad, alright.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
So far from love, but so close to hate. When I'm not with you, I can't concentrate. Yeah, I keep wondering in my mind where the hell I'm gonna find all the answers to these freaking questions. So baby, tell me what's it gonna be? Is it you? Is it me? Promiscuity. I need to know. Do you want me? Let it show that you need me. Baby, tell me what's been going on. Say, I don't wanna live this way. I don't want it if it is the same. I don't want my friends to say it is a shame. 'Cause in the end there is no one else to blame. Baby, I don't wanna feel this way. I don't wanna think that you just don't care. Baby, deep inside you feel the same way. It's just so crazy. I don't wanna live this way. Oh, I called you on the phone. You said you were not home. It's been so crazy. It's been days. I feel like giving in home alone. It feels so good with you, baby.
Come on in.
You got the glue.
Come on in.
Going on to
Yeah, may I come?
I don't wanna live this way.
Where you coming from now? Is what happening?
You forget to say me, your mother?
Here we go again. Okay, we really gonna go back over this again?
I don't understand you.
Anybody know understand me?
Come on in. Me, your mother, and you're supposed to respect me. Respect you.
So, is what idea coming from now? Is what?
Let me ask you one question. So we're gonna live for the rest of our life? You feel comfortable in your house? You not deal with your mother right and not talk to your mother. You feel comfortable with all of that?
Stop me like you don't know why me are going so.
To be honest, right now, I don't know why you're going so. Because I'm going to tell you something. You see, my past is my past. If you want to visit me, continue to visit my past, that's a phone business. But guess what? Me make mistake. Everybody make mistake. Me know so you make mistake. Your father make mistake. Your auntie them make mistake. Your grandmother make mistake. And me alone make mistake.
Mistake? You know, say a purpose something you do. Yeah, okay, man, picnic coming in a house. In a free house. Me and you, where we live. In a this house. You okay, man, picnic.
Listen, I work. And a chicken, me a jerk. Me a collect money for take care of picnic. You think I free me a do it for? Me and my friend, yeah, me make one mistake in the past. That for sure, say me and the man then are not dealings. You realize him pick me a baby? That means a man have a woman. Me and the man then are not dealings.
You better do this stuff, cause right now me I get grief. I don't want to disrespect you as my mother. Cause even if you're my mother, people in my road that tell me say you're my mother.
Whoa.
I swear. I don't want to disrespect. So just go back to where we start from. Is where you call me out here for? Where you call me? Just done with that now. Where you call me out here for?
Are you me care from hospital? I could never you me care from hospital. You come like then switch you. I mean you talk to sir? You know, so you're ungrateful though. You know that? But it's alright. Your father they are Jamaica. You know?
So me ain't call me, what do you?
Anyway, they tell her auntie say you must link him down at hotel one day. Me I go on the road. Me I go do my ear.
Alright. Are you giving me a number? Come on now, how you get my number?
You should be ashamed if you ask me that question there. And that me I tell her right now.
Shame? What have I done as a child to be shame? Yeah, make it look like say me I adult and you I picnic. Shame?
Up until now, me I ask God to wake me out of a dream with me, these past few days. I know me can't wake up. But anyway, go link your father. Let's go come out of our life. Later.
Can't feel it. Here, so. Grandma!
Grandma, why you take so long for open the door?
I'm in bed, I'm tired, man.
Anyway, I'm glad to see you, my grandson.
Alright.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm
Do you try morning? Alright.
Why you not yet?
So come here. Before me go inside this off. Your mother in there?
No, she not.
Come here. You're my one grandson. I know you will tell me the truth. And when me hear say they go on out the road with your mother name. Her name stink out the road. Me shame like dog, Kimani. I hope you not come up like your mother. What is the problem between your mother and man name and mix up out the road? What happened? Tell me. Me not go call back your name to her.
What me I hear say? Well, Mr. RC, well, I don't know if
take time. You know say she in there. Take time. Shh. Where you say
basically, what me I hear, what me even see for myself, I never say everything in it, but I couldn't tell, but me I hear say, she go sleep with Bob, Bob Pitney.
Which Bob you dey talk? Dirty Bob when I like bed, we live down the dirty street, that's how we pay get up people
there?
No,
it's another one there, man.
Which one?
One right side away.
A man named Bob we gonna foreign? That good one there?
No man,
which
no
one?
Man, no man. One you never hear about the Bob who live side away?
Me know two Bob. One I want kill this one. We no like work. And love have one heap of girl. Then the man they no use protection. You're big enough, they can talk to you like that. You understand me? But the next one you're gonna find and hope that one day if you can help her. Cause me can't believe say your mama's a workless. She's a disgrace in the family. So when you go up on the road, how you feel when you hear the man them they talk them they say about your mother? Eh? You not talk to her about it. Although you're young and me know say she not go listen to you. You never mention it out of your mouth, you come on it to your mother and tell her say. Every time you walk on the road, you can't walk in peace because her name they all over the place like them a keep dance and put up poster. Eh? So hold on. So she dey carry that man there in the house? So, where you have to say my grandson? Where you say?
Well, me not tell her yet, me not tell her nothing. Just me couldn't bother with the talking. Just not me not tell her say people are starting about her and this and that. Me can't bother.
Wait, hold on. Afraid of your mother. You're a big boy now, you know. Yes, when me talk to you, looking at my face. Now they look around there so she come. If she come out here so she cannot do anything in front of me. She have to do anything when she want to do when me gone. All you do is just call me phone because you have your granny phone number. She cannot do you anything at all. Tell me what you hear say she they do. Cause all of them they disgrace they. God Almighty, me can't believe. Say me have them the kind of picnic there. Come out and feel me home. Me need to talk to her. Go and go tell her say me come. And me go sit down in her living room until she come to me. She too out of that. One, tell her say your grandmother out here so I wait for her.
Grandma, boy, me I'll drop a steam, me remember. She said was something about how she fix up her hair, some remember. She fix up her hair and some come back. So she leave it there, you know, she even make up a bed, oh god. But she not there right now.
Where say she gone? She gone do her hair?
Yeah, she said something about she gonna go do her hair.
So she go party. She still they go party. She have them dirty ways in her same way. Love the street. Love for bleach at night. No wonder why she must buck up Baba. That dirty foot man, that the man them me know who name so from me here then they call up my daughter name with the man them me know which Baba. I swear me know. Me uncle did want to know if me did that think the right Baba. But from you tell me say that one they will live side down no. Me know say I know the one with Ghana foreign. Me can't believe say my daughter so workless.
Wait, where you which one Ghana foreign?
One a two bab me know. One of them Ghana foreign and one workless one they out here. This uno neighbor. Maybe other one day she they with same way. As where you say come here say Bob, me just assume. And when they judge what are the right one, me have in my brain. Him, Bob. So she they hide and they with Bob. Worthless. Me know she a big woman. And me can't tell her how to live her life. But I go and sit right here so. I'll wait until she come back but she gonna do here. I don't care she gonna chuku or wo. Woy or chuku. I just for me to sit down until she come because me need to sit down and talk to her about this. She's a shame and disgrace to the family. Eh? Can you imagine? So if she take 5 hours, I will be sitting here for 5 hours and leave 6 o'clock. After 6, me will left. 5 hours, 5 o'clock she come, me gone 6. Because me need to talk to her. She too worthless. You see all them picnic they know, God forgive me. Or that tell her what should I do, but I show me love you as my grandson. And I'm better talk when me should I do. When I catch that damn belly.
So talk to me more about the Baba they are foreign. You say Baba got foreign. I don't know about that.
You know say, I want my church brother. Him name Bob. Me know him a long time. He's a good man, you know. Very good man. Ambitious. Full of ambition. And he educated real good. He have it up here so. So if I went that the man there, your mother went there with you, wouldn't so bad although a married man. Me not tell her say she go there with married man, but you better win that one there. At least mother knows they help she they look. Me all here. How your mother, the mind dirty Baba picnic. Can you imagine? Me not saying me not say she can't give the child something, but take over like she take up the full responsibility of minding the man picnic when you have. So where the mother they feel that the picnic there?
That me I wonder.
So she no mean for herself no good. And she have you to take care of. The better she did give you the money and say go on, go do something important with it. Or put in our account to you. She take your mind man picnic. And so she in love. Wait until she come. Gotcha. Are you me a wait pan? Come in here so. I need to talk to you. Come sit down right here so. Right here so I want you. Come.
Grandma, now listen, come here. But what's certain? energy.
Alright. Come, sit down. Where you go so far from? You need to come sit down right here, so.
What you say, mommy?
When me say, so okay, as long as you're here, I don't care if you want to come beside me. Because I know say through your tongue, big woman know your face, and I have no right to talk to you, but a liar they tell. The devil is a liar. Oh, your name, me not even go around and come around no corner. Right to it, me they get to. How your name stinks up on the road? With this dirty man when name Bob. Why your name stinks up on the road? Marika, let me tell you something. You is my daughter, yes, me have to accept it. But sometime, me have to wonder if you are my real daughter will come out of my home. Me have to wonder if they swap you in a hospital and it's the wrong child me get. You're a disgrace to my family. Right now, your papa supposed to turn in a grave. Because he vexed at the lifestyle where they live. Why you so shameless? You're a shameless young woman.
Who you talk?
Myself. I could never
I could
you.
never be at that
Me
moment.
know say no you
Because
me talk to myself.
why you coming at my house and feel like you want to come disrespect me?
Disrespect you.
Where you come from, yes, and my name stink on the road.
Oh, so I know you are my daughter. I know you name Marika. I
I
know you
only
are
for
Bob
America
there.
world. Me and Bob no day.
I know you and Bob there
Me
together.
all babysit Bob daughter. That's what I do.
So why your name so powerful that everybody they take it up like a one prayer and have it all over the place till it catch my ears till me reach a your yard. You don't come disrespect me as your mother now. Why me come at your yard?
That's
really?
Come at my yard for?
I'm only make on big. Come and look like me hungry to you. From you born until now and you get so big and dep on your own. You ever see me call you and beg you $1?
Mommy, I'm not in a mood for this right now because me and my son not on good terms because of this whole situation.
Son and mother not on good terms. Look at you. I saw me grow you. Look where they say to me now as your mother. I saw you grow for your child. For you and your own pitney.
Why everybody?
Good terms. No, listen to me. Don't talk when me talk. Me no care. You could have even 1 million year old. No, look now. Your son is your son where you bring come on earth and you go tell me say you and your son not depend on good term. Like your dirty foot man them you they talk about.
Which dirty foot man them?
They no most your man you they talk about say you and your man not depend on good terms.
Hello, no
it could never be your son. Because your son is your son. And you're supposed to know if you talk to your son and your son know if you talk to you. Respect goes where respect come from.
That, you have to tell him that.
And
that's what you're supposed to tell a grandson.
I'm my grandchild and you are the mother. Where you from? Who pushed out my grandson?
Me push him out.
If I did get rid of you today, you could never have my grandson. And you want to tell me say you cannot talk to my grandson?
Me talk to him.
When me love my grandson dearly.
Mommy, come here talk to
me. And you're very disrespectful because you're talking to me like me and your size. God forbid when time I did have you in my belly. You know what should I do with you? You wouldn't dare suffer the face to with me so.
Hello, same thing when you wish for me that your mother did a wish for you at one time.
You don't know nothing about me, ma. Because my mother is your grandmother. And you only see her 2 times in your life. You don't see her back again.
So you, let me ask you one question. Since you come over here,
and your phone you talk to.
Listen. Since you come over here on top of your voice and with the attitude and all of this, let me ask you one question. You don't make mistake when you grow up.
I do make mistake, but I learn to correct myself. But this thing going on over and over. The only thing you know so you doing is talk to phone every day. And do all kind of foolishness. Then you left your son in the house and go do what you're not supposed to do. Then when your name spread on the whole road and me hear about you and come to talk to you now at this vibes that you're giving. So I never fit come contact you.
Listen. I work hard to take care of my son. And me have to do what me have to do for him alright. And that me I tell you now.
Your son, that is my grandson. When me used to work so hard and take care of, till you're gone for your own now, you come and rank with me. You.
I'm not rank with you.
I'm not bad at say.
I'm not rank with you and I like say me disrespect. Me disrespect you? Did I disrespect you?
No, listen.
Did I call you names?
Sometimes it's not what you say, it's all you say. And I am your mother. And me go still be your mother. If me even dead and gone or me still living, I am still your mother. It's only one mother you can have. You can't have 2 mothers.
Listen, me think you come over here if you come talk to your grandson. You come over here if you
talk to my grandson
me.
about what? Is my grandson there with Bob? The blood of Jesus.
Me not there with Bob. I want to stop some there with Bob. Me and Bob not there.
By the way, where Jimbo there?
I don't know. Me don't know where Jimbo. They not ask me for Jimbo. And me and my son alone live
You see the
here, so you
attitude?
can't ask me for Jimbo.
You see the attitude we have. You see the no man and self we have. I want to talk to Jimbo.
No, you try to find talk to Jimbo. Go and find Jimbo. Jimbo is in Jamaica.
You see your attitude is stink. And now me realize and understand why you and Jimbo did have to in them the problem there. Now you prove it to me. Say because a dirty foot Bob. Bob we have Greenwich in our tour. Bob where people always talk when more stink. You see, say you know no ambition, you only dress up and look nice and pretty. God forbid. I'm sorry say me and your mama, God no. But me glad for my grandson. You're a worthless little girl.
Thanks.
Thanks. Yeah, thank me.
Thanks.
Thank yourself.
Thanks.
Thanks to yourself.
And you bring me
If you
from
come
earth,
make
so me have to
yourself
tell
come
her
be such
thanks.
a non-ambitious woman and they shame me. Every walk me have to put me hand on my head.
Because the mother dead, so you have to put your hand on your head.
My mother not dead. That's for sure. You don't know nothing about your grandmother. She overseas.
Mommy, come take your time and go on.
Me now go
Me
on. Me need you to get in touch with Jimbo for me because I want to talk to him about my grandson. Eh?
Well, make your grandson get in touch to him. Why me if you get in touch to him?
See there? That is the reason why Jimbo and you always in problem. Because you don't listen, that's why you're not learning. Me know you're not deaf and you hear every word when I say what I'm about, but you go sorry one day. Anyway, by the hook or the crook, I will get in touch with Jimbo. You hear me I tell you? Because you, something wrong with you. If I know hobby, then hobby you.
God forbid the blood of Jesus back to send a waka.
A science then science you. Because it look like you're not pray. When you did small, me used to teach you to pray. When you got kindergarten, me pray for you. You dey go up primary, me tell you to pray a morning time before you left. See you know? Till you are done high school. You breathe you on your own. And then my lifestyle you love. Everything good. Shame me from your yard. You're going to need me. Mother always come in at the last. When everything happen, you don't remember mother. But remember, I am your mother.
Listen.
Me carry you for 9 months in this home. You dey shame me home. I know me mind alone they shame me now my face now when me walk on the road you shame me home when me carry you 9 months in. But make sure say you take care of my grandson and no carry my grandson back at you when me can see the nastiness them way they do around.
No, say bad no it will on feel bad, but me not gonna feel bad over one situation. Take your time, go on.
Me know cause that's what make you cannot feel bad.
Hope you not drop off from the stairs when you go down.
It die. Your shame tree dead. And you not know shame. Guess how they shame? Me, you and me and your mother. Yes.
Take
me
time,
pray for you. Me I go pray for you.
Me I go for fasting for
and
me.
me need my grandson to come on my yard because me no want
Take
my
him
grandson
one.
see your dirty lifestyle them
Take
all
him
day in life
one.
and comfortable. See you get up. Look. You get up. Out of the bed from morning gone. And you don't even spread your bed. There is a worthless girl. I don't even want to alone for the neighbor then here. Watch it.
I'm my bed.
You go do.
I'm my bed. If I want pray, me pray. If I don't want pray, me not pray. Kimani have food in the kitchen can eat.
Left him and tell him how you gone do here. See, they come back with your style. God forbid who to tell where you do to get that money, but
no worry about what me do getting money if you do me here.
That is not
that's
right.
That's my money. It's my money, not your money. Mommy, take your time and go on.
Anything
take your time and go on. Go on, man.
And you know, right in a God's eyesight.
Tell your grandson so you are going.
God not like ugly. Remember? Oh.
Kimani? Ugly, look how me nice.
Later, my grandson.
Yes.
I will call you on your phone later. And if you get to your father, give him my number, make him call me. All right.
Where some must meet if you collect something? What mean I'm not left out yet? Me tell us I'm go get ready and then left out. Listen to me. Me the palm movie I come now. Alright. Me no know where your Sunday no in a yard. When me come. Yeah.
Oh, what call me? Cha, my grandson, what happened now? Oh, you get to your father? Okay, alright. What him say? Okay, just text the number to my phone. So what go on? Your mother there home? Me know. You don't have to tell me my grandson, I know. But me can't wait for you get big and gone on your own. Yes. Me know she neglect you enough time. Now worry yourself. You know, you can come stay with me sometime, you know. Cause sometime when me come down there and I really come, I want come to see she personally, you know. I do me want to see me long to see you sometime. But this man, me did definitely have to come down there. As me tell you how they have our name on the road. I spread it, me shame. You know, say me own a daughter that. Your mother no business. If people see her road and tease you by mocking you all because of she. But don't worry yourself. You wake up on your own one at a time. So thank you. Eh? Alright. Okay, no worry yourself. Maybe we talk about that later, but me glad say you get to talk to your father. Like how yes, text your father number to my phone. Maybe me try get in touch with him. Oh, you did give him my number too? Alright. Alright. Love you, my grandchild. Later. Yes. Me did to get some money from the partner lady. As soon as me get it, me promise you one little money. Like why not the holiday season you know. Yes. But when me give you no waste you out, you know, and follow your friend them and smoke and drink. You can spend little and enjoy yourself and put the rest in your account. Yes. Alright, love you, me grandchild. Love you, man. Mwah, love you. Alright.
Hello? You say you want to leave me? When that no? Alright. Make sure you say you did it, you know. And not bother with the foolishness, you know. Cause when I come there, I'm supposed to see you. Alright. So you say, if my mother there home? No, she not there home, how you want to see her? Alright then. Alright.
Hello?
Yeah. Well, on, Empress.
Hold on there. Stranger.
Wow, I'm there. How things?
Jimbo.
Yeah, man, I dream about this, man.
Lord have mercy. A long time me no see you, know.
I real talk, man. I real talk, you know?
Me,
So, how you going with?
me just done talk to your son.
Yeah, him give me a number and say for shout you like you want to reach me. Because if you see my son today, you know, but, you know, well, I'm see him from yesterday, but something come up on thing, you know? So I just say, all right, put it off till today.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
so which part you there now?
Me in the town, you know.
Oh, where they close
Me in
by,
town,
man. You're they close by. That mean me can talk to you then, because me really want to see if we talk to you about something important, you know.
So, you don't want to talk on my phone?
No, me no want to talk over the phone. Me would mind you can take few little minutes. Because how close to the town me live, see you can the walking distance and not even have to drive.
And I see him house there with the little stone, down your board house or down your son.
I feel me house and me now move. I right here so me dey turn until God ready for me.
Alright, if I saw the case. Alright, me a forward then.
Yes, nobody can me out, you know. Me want to see you for a long time. Eh?
I want to ask you, say, Black is still alive or Black is dead?
Hold on there. You no call no. Dad Jesus, no call up the people them name on the phone. You can come meet me right over me yard me there. Eh?
Me see the dog, them me attack, and the people me attack.
What you say?
The dog one named Blackie and the one named Rex.
Oh, me think say I the man when live next door me the talk, you know, saying
No,
yeah.
not Blacko.
No,
Not Blacko.
he name close to me dog name. So me I feel the wonder. I remember say me years now work so right, you know. So you have to go just come and we talk about it. The dog then alright man, then tie up round her back.
The dog then tie up?
Yes, then round her back.
Remember say you went say same thing last time in the hospital emergency room reach me.
No. Me feed them from this morning before me go out on the road.
Oh, you feed them. Alright.
And tie them up before me leave. Because if they never tie me, not even there, me not so too long come back, then I come around here so already. But come on.
Alright. They are forward now, man. Come in close by too.
Okay, alright.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Irie.
Mm-hmm. Jimbo.
Watch you out, man.
So now, see you come to Jamaica now. So what you plan? Where you gonna do?
Oh, you be so aggressive to me, so I want your mama tell you about me, so. Eh?
I don't know what she tell me about you. I want me to see for myself.
What do you mean when you see for yourself? What me do so? Me not there, so you have to see for yourself. Me don't understand.
That's the point. You're not there. You're never there from your little you. You're always.
Yeah, me dep on him go, come here try and make things. You understand me? I say, so you have to understand from my perspective now. That's me there, so I have to talk to you. No long more shout you, get a number and them something, your mama going like you know want me call you and talk to you. Eh?
Yeah, make you look and say I tried to effort. Not even a little dollar here. Say,
Oh, you mean something not $1? You don't know this? Me send for your mama 200,000 every 3 months. You ain't know that?
me never know.
Me send that and give her, and when she get that and collect that, what do you think she do with it? She'll take care of herself. You have to know them things, the road boy. You can't just attack it. Yo, you know, sir, my place, you know. The fridge, the stove, the light, all the things they must stay and how you think make it stay. And me and my money. So don't make you come around like me at the round. That me I tell you. But long and short of that. You know the whole Bob situation?
Yeah, I hear about it.
What you hear about it?
Well, nobody not tell me, but I can see for myself say, about how she breed Bob. Breed for Bob or whatever.
Me not think I'm breed for Bob. Me hear other source. Me hear from a real good source say, I know breed for Bob. She do one and two things with Bob. So Bob know I take her for that now and make she keep her in you. But here why long I share this now? Make up be real to you honesty, you know. Saying when they are when they are fine things don't really work out and one little badness go on and me have to just cut. I'm there now. You understand me I say? But me I say me there now, I'm gonna link up Bob to talk about what really I go and Bob a show badness and bad face. Some big man thing, me don't want you feel like me no worse. Me not tell you say me I gonna do Bob something about. Real things I say right now like me have to go do him something. You understand me I say? But if me do him something I hear some there jail again, nobody feel like say boy, you know, your father's a win. But that me I tell you. Cause I say sometimes I stay from around the place because me I know you have it too, you know. You have that mad mentality where you flip and you hear me, you do certain things. Someone you control yourself and know say boy, respect your mama even though. You understand me I say even though she stays so respect your mama. Cause even though she couldn't run where she did it. I don't know if she can man at the house. She can man at the house? You see no man come at the house?
I don't see that.
Well, at least she don't carry make you see it when she carry. But you hear me I say. But there now, I don't know how go on for the next 2-3 days. But big up yourself. See? You can't want like a food for you. If a woman and give her money, I have to go start give her money straight and plain. So what go on here about it? So you attempt them never and I give you a card instead. See? So that card now you can just draw. The maximum you have to draw for that in a month, 150. So you go over your maximum, you're gonna know what go on and realize say he's a greedy dog just like your mother. You understand me? I say, you know one to have the concept about you, son. So as me say, the day for a while, you have the card, you have to appreciate your mother a certain way. You have a girlfriend?
That's the same.
Eh? You use boats? You know them boats? Eh? You laugh. A real thing, you know. Big up yourself. You hear me? Now do the road. Go back to your yard, because I don't know if your mother knows you. Your mother knows you, don't you?
I don't tell you some of the food.
Go on to your yard and thing. I'll show you still, you know. I'm keep you posted. Yes, sir.
Right.
So I'm there and I give you now. See? Go on, man. Take time to try down. We shall gather.
Alright.
You have a number and me have for you, sir. I've got do Bob sitting, you know. Bob are going like my boy, you know me, you know. So I'm not going, yo, Bob don't know what I'm doing a star. Bob know what I do? Bob never check right now, make him know some. See the tool like Bob. Yeah, my tool there.
Yeah. I'm my son grandmother, I'm gonna check, you know. See? I'm my son grandmother, I'm gonna check. So, yo, my son call it back. See? Wagwan.
You know, oh, how are you there? I'm right here, so I hear your voice and know, say they come.
So, it's not a matter of seeing my voice I come. You know anything already. Wagwan, everything good? What's the yesterday now? We're in a good grace, man. We have some good grace, and if we never make everything look so. Yeah, we can't take the advice still, but the advice like confident to make some go on, you know.
This serious, when they call you, they talk to you about serious. Me not understand how you so happy. How you so happy and dirty butterfoot bob. They hope I feel yard.
Yo, mama, me never dip on the vibes every today, you know, man. Me a try ease up my brain and fight every time me a try ease up my brain. Somebody a try jump back in. You know what I'm to me yesterday? What if you know more? What really go on yesterday? See, since you want to know, since I feel like saying, me not supposed to smile right now. Because link up Bob, you know? We link up Bob and Bob a come go on like him a bad man. And me a say to myself, say, yo, look what me now. Me no want to do back certain things again and me no want to go back certain places and Bob want to jam me out, you know. And I say, man, just take care of my you know. That me a
Oi. Tap it.
do me tappy.
Stop right there, so. Me not even want to say stop. Stop too much. You sound too decent. Tappy. What you mean? Go and take care of your son. If you was taking care of your son in that farm, me not say you never do nothing to your son. But if you when they put out all the effort you're supposed to put out as a father to a child, you and my daughter ain't in a conflict all the while, you know.
Nah, tell the truth, you know.
Anyway,
She not tell the truth about me, you know. That me a talk about, you know. Me get my money per quarterly. See me, cause you know, say a music thing me run. Me send her money. Every time I say, alright, imagine me send you 200,000. You tell me say in a 4 months 200,000 burn up. What you do so?
me no say no give it to her.
So what problem?
But me can't prove it.
Leave out of my house and me give her and me left her in my place. What you talk about? When you say get proof, the place you go and visit her and see her every day I live. Over place thing give me. Think of your place. Hold on. I'm my sweat and blood and tears. Feel that, you know.
Me know.
So yo, talk straight, yeah.
No,
I be a dean talk.
Nobody get too ignorant.
But I mean get ignorant already.
Me no want you feel say me no believe say you give her that amount of money, but I cannot prove it. I was not there when you give it to her. But
How you believe? She and me, you know you alright, even though you are your daughter. You know she stay mama. Yeah, I like that, you know. That's why you she couldn't do, you know. Remember say when catch up with time, you have to say to me, say, son, be glad say you're part of my family. Because you can't trust she. Remember you tell me that mama, you remember that?
yeah,
So we are going like you don't know what going on.
that was then. This is now. It was no one time son-in-law, but he's not my son-in-law again. He look like a Bob want take over, and me don't like Bob for a long time. Bob a whole criminal and thief, a general. As somebody Bob they look for use. So me no know the devil send Bob in my daughter life. Anyway, cut long story short. Me know you always travel and go overseas, you know. And a good while me no see you. But see here now, I was investigating about you.
One moment.
The period of time when me no see you, me wonder if you're there yard or you gone abroad. And me hear say you gone, but me I use me head pan me daughter this morning. And they ask him, where you there? If you hear how she behave, she don't have no manner. Nothing good about her.
We can't loud speaker.
Oi, make me talk about me daughter. You know about that nothing bad about me daughter, because you're going like you're innocent. Me no business about seeing her private life. Me just a talk about you, you know. You is a deportee.
You mean deport, we are talking, who tell us?
Me hear say you go back a foreign the last time, yeah. And you they over there, they go on with yourself, find all foreign woman. And who tell you if you put your hand on the people them picnics?
Who's people them to the hotel? I don't need that.
All when a big woman is somebody's child. Left that we don't know Jamaican.
You see, it's just too much, and that's I mean, realize there's so much serious. Hey,
Hello.
I mean, you can't judge me, that me a talk about, you know. Eh? Me no want a situation where somebody will throw a bleach for you, and you set and raise up your hand. I'm going to raise up your hand, son, and hand lick up the ear of the bleach, and the bleach join the eye. What? Am I father? Am I father? You man get so the bleach reach from the ear, and you can't put this for me, I say, I meet you bleach for them. But that good things the camera in there. That's them.
Here we are, babe. We can just imagine say a lie you they tell. Because the woman them overseas take you up and take up a matter of fact uno from over here. Care no go over there because no frightened. You gone over.
No, me, he's a hustler. A farm work, me deal with and make my dollar, and she see me and make my dollar, and she said she want to camera go foreign. Me experience the big old road, the man, all these thick old.
And that's why God, me hear from your friend. Which a woman no want with money. Who no want go work for herself. Who no want woman take no prior and carry no go over there. And when woman start taking no son foot cloth, no go on like I say. Uno they live no big life over there and they call no friend and no family them out here, they tell them how uno live big life, uno is a lie.
Tell me this. So if we were a woman with money, what am I do with the daughter? Would have nothing. What big and all them sitting there.
No, hey, stop.
See your daughter what big.
At Jamaica you there. So when I say you did no say she nah no more.
Boys, so if me want a woman with money and me there Jamaica, me would have went there with somebody else.
No go so.
Look man,
Each one
he bring her. You see,
no
the place.
no. It reach you no. Your meter, the two of you never have nothing. And the two of you start life. How long you know they together? And imagine you're this the daughter. Who this your daughter? You disrespect me daughter and gone with woman a foreign. You get deep, you is a deportee. You get deep and you come down and walk and spread in the area. Oh, you're there foreign and you're soon gone back. You is a liar. You is a liar because not even immigration no want to see your face again. Me hear so then when you have you down at the place where they call detention and have you down there how long. They question you because you beat off a woman overseas. They think you get to go back over there. Go along about your business. You know, see where they stamp on your passport. You're not going back over there. They might then take away green card and yes, everything gone for you is a liar. Who no disrespect them and go there with foreign woman. Then they have over there as foot card. Then you know, call no friend and family over there big up on yourself. We don't know poor and boss yourself like you know they live no luxury life.
You don't know what you're saying.
You may say you went turn out and sell back juice. As bad as my daughter is, it better you did stay out here and sell back juice with her and if you want to come together.
She want nobody. She want to put there a street. She want she's like a rolling mass gathering. Hey, you hear me? Rolling stool gathering now.
He's a gigolo.
Who's a gigolo?
Yes. You breed my daughter and give her a son.
That's why when she meet you and meet your daughter, and your son scared out there, look at you and lie down for seat in a reach. I'm tell you no, you on that.
Then if you're my son-in-law, you know must can treat me. And I look me they look you. Me is your son, granny.
And you're blessing. What kind of lifestyle that?
Look here. Hello. Gigolo.
Street, you know, maybe not take me for your daughter.
A liar they tell you is a worthless boy. You know, see you go up on the beach and the worst woman you find. Worthless, and that's why you left me daughter. See where reach there. You is a deportee. And you come back and big up yourself. But you there foreign and live big life. When a sufferation life you they live, you come down here the most you worthless like.
You see, that is always the problem with you. It's just like a bank, an ATM machine that push in a card and the money come out, you not even want a receipt.
We're not supposed to have no communication. You just give me your money, let me go and buy my business, and that's it.
We're not supposed to have no communication. So how that possible now?
If you just come here say you give me money and say go and buy your business, we not fit talk about nothing at all. Just give me go and that's it.
You're right. But me gonna tell you this now, me gonna flip the script now and make you understand. So me no need to have no more money business with you. Me gonna deal with the money to my son. Saying, me give him a card and him go now have the money for deal what he want to do. Because am I taking care of you?
No.
Am I living with you?
No.
Or are we together?
No.
So we no need to have no communication. You married to me?
No.
Alright, and all these things, and let the court say amen. What if you go on now is just you if you know say just don't disrespect my son because the money get taken away from you. That me I tell you.
I don't want to disrespect my son, even though he might disrespect me in your house.
And talking about house, me think a time for you come out of that place.
You can't tell me that.
So
matter of fact, nobody good as so.
So what go happen then? What gonna be the situation and what gonna be the case? Eh?
Oh. So when we move out, who go live there with my son to take care of my son?
You know worry about him. Me can get a lot of replacements for come in and come take care of him if I solve the case.
Nobody not take care of my son until him reach of age.
What mean say go there and go on your own so you can't come out of the house? What you talking about? You can't come out of my house? No.
No.
So alright. Let's go to the next topic. Why and Bob situation are getting in my house? You make my son uncomfortable with the whole Bob situation as a mama.
Listen to me.
Or if you make your son feel a way if you know say boy, are you the cause why everything mash up? Eh?
Why am me I can't?
So
you never have even woman out
I
road.
wish you woman, me never do that. Not because you talk to a woman, you put on a chair for your woman, you feel say your woman there. That you judge me from? Eh?
You're a gigolo.
Me is a gigolo?
And you know that.
And that you really call me?
Stop going like.
Me a call gigolo, that you call me?
Me.
Out of all the things that gigolo you call me?
Different you come a friend, me realize you make it whole Bob situation come up, you know. You dey walk around and tell everybody, oh, me and Bob this and me and Bob that, and Bob come up on me yard. Do you ever see Bob come up on me yard?
I hear me, yes,
You
Bob.
ever see Bob?
Alright,
Bob
so
never come up on me yard. Listen, let me talk. And don't talk when me I talk.
What this?
Bob never come up on me yard. You turn dog.
Are you a dog or back? But one back now?
All somebody come over me yard for me is Bob daughter. Me take care of Bob daughter. Right? Me babysitter, Bob have to pay me for babysitting people.
Alright, me ask you one question. You and Bob in things? You and Bob do this? You and Bob do this? Me say if you're liar.
One time, back
Lord
then.
have mercy. And you go talk to me about Bob. Listen to me. All ties are cut. Just know that. See? So what you need to do
cut
is...
for a long time and I like say...
Me and you not
ties
there.
DVD.
Right? Me and you there?
No.
Me and you. We married?
When you ask me them a question
Me
again, you ask me already. Me don't want you
because
ask me
want
again.
confirm
Me
it. So
answer
we
you
don't
already.
have,
Me
we
don't
don't
need
have
to
no
answer you
ties.
again.
And you need to come out of my house.
And
By
you
the
can't tell me
latest.
that.
Eh?
I'm not going no way.
You're not going nowhere?
Me not going
That's
no
how you put
way.
it?
Yes, that's how I put it.
So you...
So carry lawyer, carry police, carry anybody you want to carry. Come in now, come out.
Alright, if I just you want to put it, ma'am, yeah, you want to go a war. But me not go a war with you still. Me I left it to time and God. You know what I mean? Because that's my thing there. Me I make God, everybody see say, I know me a problem, and you a problem. You understand me? I say,
and
so
you are a problem, friend.
So
no,
when them see...
No!
Don't you dare do that again.
When I realize when you come from a friend, you not change your pants, so you can't talk to me. That me I tell you.
How dare you?
When you come from a friend, you still walk with the same bag by your back, and you still walk
you don't worry about my things and my attire.
You still walk with the same time,
yes.
so you can't chat to me.
Yes.
You not change your clothes.
But I see him all dirty money.
You can't deal with me.
You don't worry about that. One more if you understand is this. Me call you down here to make you know, say, me not have no more money business with you. Just consider yourself out of the money line. See? Okay. So you have to go find where you find. Where say you take care of baby, your babysitter for Bob. Go and make a babysitter money to take care of you. Me go tell my son to make sure not even food for buying a place there for you. Do what I do, control himself, and that's it. Have a good time.
Let me say something to you.
Say something to me, Poma.
Me want good mother, you know.
Good mother when?
So you go tell my
when
son.
When you good mother? Hold on. You want to tell me say you're a good mother? Eh? That you want to tell me? What kind of good mother? Your son respect you?
Not because
your son respect you?
Not because.
Alright, how much other people have a respect you since you're a good mother? You classify yourself as a good mother, but yet your mothership is not in the place where you're supposed to be. Eh? You don't understand what you're saying.
You know, no, your fathership in a place where you're supposed to be.
No, listen. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that.
I don't know what me did.
Just make sure so you take your time and come out of my house.
I mean, now come out, carry police or anybody who want carry come. I mean, now let that me I tell you.
Respect you. As usual. You know what I mean? Yo, say if I nothing, you know, we can shout whenever I need one little help again, not true?
You realize I'll know me not say nothing to you. Come just watch and see if you really are left and you know give me back the money if you buy back some gas. I've almost $10,000 worth of gas put in a car, you know. And carry go somewhere, bro, and it's like every time you do the same thing, me pick you up from the airport and you say this, that, I'm not say nothing, make it slide. I know you ask me to carry go and farm, brother. And come back and I see him thing.
Yo, I'm tell you this. Yo, basically you understand. Me tell you, you want to sell the bus and you give me back my money and you take for your share time money. That you want? What you want? Because I don't understand why is it now me now ask you to do me a favor and it's a problem. Remember say money me spend on buy the bus, you know. Why you can't spend money on me to go a farm? It's a problem, sir. You make certain things look away. May you have virgin or we no virgin. That's a virgin help each other, bro. If you're talking about something like me, a big problem, bro. Me I tell you, you have to go sell it or I'm free one stone night or something and mash and share. I'm serious. And that me I tell you. You decide what you're doing.
Yo, bro, you remember say I give me money for buy bus. I don't compare that thing. You give me a money and say, yo, you have a portion. Buy bus, man. I mean, I'm not charge me. I'm not charge. You realize I'm not charge me. I charge you. And I just a little gas me. I beg you back to put in my bus and the water on you know. And when you give me money for buy a bus. And compare that business behind me money and you make up it. And say yo buy a bus, go and run the road.
Ungrateful. Very ungrateful.
Yo, you
People
know,
like you.
you know, see,
You
you
see
not drive
people.
back in this.
Yo, come on, guys. Yo, drive over place. Ah, boy.
Yo, yeah, so I go on. That's it, man. To life go on people step on thing, you know. But good as man.
Good answer, no problem. Come here, I said to myself, sir, it's like at the end of the day, me can't force a woman to love me. And if she love you a certain way, me have to just respect it. And if you did a certain way, I guess you're gonna be a stepfather. Not true?
Yeah, man, you have to understand, man. I'm glad to say you understand. So we're not feeling no more argument. So
Yeah,
and it
man.
sound like you understand for any phone call.
Exactly. Come when you feel like something I go run a thing.
Yeah, man.
So we have to make a signature, you know, to end certain things on a proper note. You know what I mean? But as me say, but you better me give the key for the house too. So just in case you understand, say me free up on certain things. Me not really
Yeah, man.
I put myself on
Yeah,
certain
man, you can't give me title for your house and thing. Just give me everything for your house.
title.
Mm-hmm.
Every title for you, man.
Yeah, man.
So what I want to know is, you remember when you tell me say, last time I come on your place and you tell me say, you call two versions for me.
Yeah, man.
But what make you
But
say?
yeah, for yourself about that, brother. Everything squash between me and you know.
And everything.
Yeah, man, you understand how it thing
But you
goes.
know, see, when kind of put me on one level though where me feel like say me happy.
Jesus Christ!
Tired. Yeah, man. You remember me tell you say I want to have a clean up on situation what happened that day? Yeah, it happened. Firewood.
Hello. Pinky, where you want?
Girl, Mr. Then just kill Bob.
What?
Then just kill Bob. You know here?
No. Who killed Bob?
Yeah, you come watch Bob. Oh, so. Yeah, I'm bad in your business. You come who kill Bob.
You just come here give me one news. Me no must ask question.
At that time, when Jamaican people get mashed up in a life, I want to go and tell me that the panga and that. How many know who killed him? Me didn't know who killed him in that fact. Anyways, when we want to ask you, you don't know nothing about what's going on with him.
No, me no know nothing about what go on. Me no know anything. Me no know nothing. No.
Yeah, you're sure.
Yes.
So you don't know if him and nobody ever in a nothing at all?
No, me no know if him and nobody in a no conflict or no.
What? They kill him. I love me. Them doing some stuff.
So when that happened?
Some things. But that's a while ago, girl. And doing some things. So something I can't unfold my eyes them.
So you see what go on?
Girl, I don't know. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, me there, man.
Remember you're there, so like you're lost. You're gone. Now what's up?
No, because me can't believe say
Hello?
If you me shock, me can't even ball.
Oh God. Anyway, one take it easy, cause I did a man. Just trying to tell you.
I never me man on top say that. When daughter they by the way.
In that, I don't know what we that saying about. If I can't go take the daughter, you take the daughter. Because you're not babysitter.
No, me fi take your daughter in here cause problem in my house. You idiot and the man a run me out of your house already. I'm fi go text. You idiot?
No. I don't know what to tell us, say.
If me can go look for a little girl, me go look for her and bring things here, but me can't take her.
Well, if I want to do that, I'm not for them phone him up.
But me no know if him in a no gang or nothing like that. Me no know. So then just kill him so that not safe.
Me no know how they kill him, so you just step on him so like awa me didn't know I go and like say I never your one time man. So you go on. Like I never your money, I never give me things.
I don't take you can't me fit me saying that or you can't me fit me say me I
But
need
we
it.
can't tell us that the man did that you combo. But that not see him.
So what you did want me fi say? What you did want me fi laugh over the whole situation?
Never why you feel like but you come like a police, no you turn big investigator with me for your phone. You know, you go thinking in your mind and thinking in your head.
Sometimes when you chat too much, you come like a your cousin. Come off of my phone.
Why?
And you feel go away. I lie you tell. Bob, I must throw them on me. Come on, mother. Mommy, where are they? I can come over here and want somebody to talk to, please. Mommy, not in that the mood right now. Just come now. You can be serious for once. Hurry up. Yeah.
Abal. What to you? Narik? What do you?
They're unalive, Bob.
Marika, come here, Tessa. Nobody drop down. Nobody drop down. Come here. Come, lean up. Nobody drop down. Where you just say, come in here so good.
They're unalive, Bob. I don't know who do it. I don't know when that's today. I don't know what one. Bob.
Marika, you can hear yourself? What you mean when you say the unalive Bob and you're down here the waste your water? After water gone up a semi yard all long. About 2 weeks now. Me have to struggle down the road for water and you hope that they waste water. You could have care come full me jug. What a way you have eye water to waste. You know you say crime is a language and you gotta understand it. Why you don't understand say them unalive somebody with a little eye water you have before you serious when you
But
there?
me and Bob close. We are close friends. Never feel it. We can't listen to this to Bob. Somebody close. Me and Bob did very close.
Your name did very close. Me know so no close. Close. Like a clothespin. And your ball. You're an idiot. So then unalive the idiot. And you up here, they waste your time. Till you all look like you want week out. You want to go to hospital? Eh? You want me to bring you over hospital?
Oh God, why
Why you
they
never
kill the
tell me
innocent man?
Eh? They do what? They unalive one innocent man? Oh my, me sorry for you. Me sorry for hear about what happened. But, you know say is an idiot? Can you up your ball for one fool? Anyway, my daughter, stop the crying. You waste your time and your energy. You already gone and you can't come back. You sure saying unalive though?
Yes, me get it calm, me get it from my friend Pinky, and Pinky very mixed up and know people business.
So, you know see the body and you believe.
Me have to believe that Pinky not tell no lie.
But this I love you where you got for that the friend there. He's strong man, he's stronger than for me, where your mother, and he's stronger than for your son, where is my grandchild. Me never see you cry for me yet. What a good daughter you be.
Mommy, why would I cry for you if they're not dead?
Okay. So true for me body. They are same way I'm not dead. Oh, you can't cry for me. Look how much things me go through if you bring you come here so. Eh? All of those pain.
Mommy, me cry when I come at my graduation. That
All of those
you know.
sorrows and mistake that I make with your dirty father. Eh? When me sit down around a corner and they pray and they ask God to help me to make my life
When me call
come
over
good,
here for? Me
and
should
you
call over here now because
did
you make
inna the way,
situation worse.
and me have to take all of my money spent for you. You wasn't crying for me as a mother. But now you're the cry for dirty foot Bob. When they go? How far you think them a go put Bob? You can't look for him to you know, he's just 6'6". But guess what?
But me now go see me in person.
Why you cry for Bob? That me come to ask you no. Because
me and Baba friends, so if me cry for
and that me I
friend,
go
you
say,
don't cry for your friend.
and that me I go say because you tell me say your friend and me no say you can't cry for your friend or bawl or holler walla for your friend. But you, they holler for Bob like something in something where you never want me to know. But guess what? Everything when a secret must come out in the light. Just like when in the dark, the same thing come out in the light. And you when they hide it from me a long time yesterday, you and Bob they together. Like birds of a feather, when you flock together. You're lucky you never did it. When they unalive Bob, you're there, so they boss say, look here, let me tell you something. You see if you don't have anything constructive to call me and talk to me about as your mother, do not call me. And if I know my grandson, you they call me about, do not call me. Me sorry for hear anyway. You hear? Me sorry for hear. And me sorry for hear about your friend Bob.
Don't touch me, can you make situation worse?
I'm sorry, me sorry for you. Come
Come
let me give you a hug.
Come me no want
Every God Almighty time me come in your yard, you disrespect me, you shame me, you run the way. Me go home tonight.
Go on by myself. Come, go on.
Father God, me never know say me bring one psycho come on the earth. And my daughter, she called me. Me come down here to support her. Make she can lean on my shoulder. You hear? She run me. She will call me again. Me now come back. You see tonight, Father God, me want you tell me when she call me again, if she call me again, if you come back, I ain't coming back. You go have to hold me hand and bring me come, cause me alone and come. And then me insult you. Me come down here first.
Me go on now.
Me go give you a hug still, cause me sorry about everything. Bob. What you the ball like I say you're mad dead or you pick me. Look on you. See there. See there now. You're in a pain up here. So if you stay with you and help you cry, it will never happen in Jesus' name. Anyway, me love you hear me daughter. I'm sorry to hear about what happened. Alright. Me gonna see there. You prefer the dead more than the living. Y'all are pushing me out. So right now if you see Bob again, you're taking me in. Anyway, me love you. You go lock the door for you. Go on in.
Yeah, go on later.
Bye-bye. Love you, my daughter. Stop me crying. Drink little water. Jimbo. Here. Jimbo, wait there. And they feel sleep. Jimbo. No man, he can't sleep so dead. A junkie junk. I mean, no in love road, you know, I love party and go like in your money. With him broke self. Jimbo! No man, he look like me, I have to go call him. Suppose the place did a bun down. Or he may be gone and road with him dirty foot friend them. Wait there. Ah, Jesus. Wrong number. Me go and call somebody here. Let me see it. Alright. You know, save your name in my phone because I don't like it, you know. See if your phone they ring from inside. Me backside. Jimbo. How are you there? You want to tell me say you're in my house asleep and me they call you my youth and you not answer what? What me want to know what me you're in. What happened? Me can't come call you. Oh, you're not in there? Me backside. Kill me then you're in there because you me know you extra. And show off and when people call you act like you don't hear when you hear. I know I hear style them there for a long time. Hold on them, I'm tired. So Jimbo, you know hear the news. You know hear where I go on. Me say they unalive. Eh? What? Look what you're going to talk about. Oh, you're big and fool and dumb. Listen what me I say. That's something important me they tell you. Somebody life. You're going to chat about dance and party and one if a same thing. You idiot? Listen me. Me hear say they unalive Baba. From yesterday. So how you not hear that? A matter of fact, he big in the street right now. So you and him did absent one time. Them I say maybe they not sure. Maybe you and him must catch up back again. Maybe they not sure, but you know how man and man can in things all much years after. Then go back again and sit and then say I just yesterday that man when they look. They hear saying analyze. But what happened? You and him did in a sitting? You know say you take it for joke? You take it for joke. I'm serious. Why you think would I waste my time? Take 3 taxi, 3 different fare me pay, come on a 3 different fare me have to go pay go back. And come here you have to come tell a lie. You pay me? No, talk God joke now. Who on earth you hear say they get paid for tell lie? Me sure say no me if you have get paid me not get none. If me did not get paid for tell lie, the amount of lie when me tell man. It more than what John write in the Bible and read about. Eh? You're lucky me, sorry for you. No mix me up or me if you know who unalive the boy. Me never did it. I hear me ear and then me see if it a grown pan phone and me see face for true. Me I wonder if in family them hear about it. Jesus God, what a wickedness. Then Jimbo. Oh God man, me not say you. But if somebody will do that, the way me hear say, then do Bob. Oh God, if somebody, me not tell a lie. So when the police catch him, then feel lock him up. Anybody will do that. Police will lock him up. If he get 25 years of prison. Too wicked man, and what the man could have do that? There's somebody there saw. Even though me not tell no lie. Me ain't too like him, you know. Me ain't too like him. Because him and fi me daughter kill me dead. Then they together. But my daughter now own it. So guess what? If she say she and him not there, well, maybe then they, and maybe they not there. Yeah, but I'm not even that. I wonder if my daughter unalive him. Me no know. Me no know who. Me just a think. Me no know who. But God know me not tell no lie. Even if my daughter do such a wickedness, just when the police them hold her, Then if you lock her up and me and bail her. Yeah, because she not no manners to me. And she better know. You know me always tell my daughter, anything where she do wrong all when she a big woman, me don't care. Do not call me name. Tell them say you don't have no mother, your mother dead, your granny you grow with and your granny don't have no phone. Yeah. So make them lock you up and do the time. See what me tell her? What you mean if I'm my daughter me tell that? Me not understand you. So when I'm the big woman like a Marika, chew me her mother when she put herself in a problem, me must go. Look here, you know me sorry say me come here yard. Me go and come to come tell her say they analyze Baba and anybody do it, them is a wicked and police will lock them up and then if you go in a jail and don't come up. But me I left from your gate right now. Right now, listen to grill, hear ya. You must How me fi go in your house? The door open? Come make you idiot, you know what? Later. Yes, I mean, you had me a go, me not even should have touched your gate because I don't know if no fingerprint there on it.
Marika!
What happened?
Y'all,
Oh,
you know you are going.
how I go on?
Hey! They lock up Jimbo.
They lock up Jimbo? For what?
Girl, I must see him kill Bob.
What? So Billy said him kill Bob for true?
No, girl, I'm mad. What kind of question that you ask me?
No, me just
My cousin kill no man, he can't even kill fly
I
good.
swear for nobody nowadays, but me not say him do it.
Girl, me say, my cousin can't even kill a fly.
Me not
Up to the
understand.
little walking answer me afraid of. So my cousin kill no man. No,
Him afraid I wish look walking ants.
girl, I be a more my cousin have. My cousin do them there something there.
Anyway, me can't manage no more sadness. Cause last night Bob dead, today him lock up. Me just can't manage what go on right now.
So
Too
so
much.
follow me go down to jail go look for him.
Huh? Go away.
Follow me go down to jail go look for Jimbo.
No, so me have some dirty clothes on the back first. I can't go down this side.
Hey, you see you look dirty girl, I see you. You see you when me call her last night and tell her news about Bob. Oh Bob did you hear how you go on? So what kill him? What kill him? So okay, your friend if he dead.
No, true Bob dead. Me have to feel.
No,
me
you-
have to feel that, but a jail ain't gone for something when do.
Something when what?
Somebody they not go just lock him up so nobody not accuse him.
Wait a second, your mouth. He got jail for something when do.
Probably do it for true. You can't
You
search
see,
for
uno look
nobody.
dirty Jamaican
Because
people.
when he come from finding they call up him and name or something.
You see, uno look dirty Jamaican people. No worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. You don't want to follow me go to jail. Go look for
Listen.
Jimbo.
The last time me see me saying don't want to see me back. So why me I go to jail go look for him?
A jail
And
in
him a
there.
run me out of place. So why me fi go look for
Oh,
him?
so about my friend for. About my friend
for
for.
Bob, but
Good on the
Jimbo.
house. Good on the house. Go down side of him. It's alright. Everything good. Just know say. My cousin never kill him. I no can't tell no lie for my cousin. I mean you no chat say one more time so my cousin kill man. Watch me how no.
Go about your business. Good as I'll do it for true. To subscribe is free. And subscribe, yes.
They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in put me under mind control. They said I wouldn't make it if I didn't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah runs my soul. They said I wouldn't make it 'cause I don't do what they do. They said I wouldn't make it. There's no place for people like you. They said I won't make it, but it's not their choice to choose. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah runs my soul. News, news, news. Jah is in control. They said I wouldn't make it.